Hey there, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to merge different data files into a single Excel data file using the Power Query option, which is already available in our Excel functions. So first thing is that this is my data set. Here are different variables, and for different time periods I have the datas, and also you can see I have the similar kind of data sets, and I have 14 data files which has the same kind of variables and data sets. So my task is to combine all these data files into a single data file. So in order to do that, I can use data Power Query option, which is already available. So using the Power Query option, I can combine all the data sets into a single data set. So in order to do that, the first thing we need to do is that create a new workbook and head to data. In data, select get data. So now you can see from where you need to get the data. So there are different options from where you can access your databases. Say, for example, you can directly import from Excel workbook or a CSV file or PDFs or from a particular folder you can extract the data. I mean, import the data, or even from the databases which you already have in SQL data server or whatever the Microsoft Access database or wherever you have, you can directly import the data into your Excel. So in my video, I'm going to show you how to import the data from a particular folder. Okay. So I'll select from file, I'll choose from folder. Okay. So you want to clearly define where your folder is, and in that folder, you should have all your Excel data files. So here I have the 14 data files. It shows all our data files here, and I'll choose. There is an option called combine. So we need to combine the data sets, and there are three options. One is combine and transforming the data, and then second option is combine and load, and the third one is combine and load too. So the second and third is somewhat like combine and load the data to where it should be loaded. So either into the sheet 1 or sheet 2 or wherever the specific locations you wanted to import your data. So in order to do that, I'll choose combine and load to, and because I want it in a particular specific worksheet. Okay, so after this, you can see the you can once again cross verify your datasets, because I have my datasets are in CSV format, so I'll just use the comma delimiter to separate my variables into the specific columns. So after that, so just wait for a while. It will ask you for certain queries like whether you want the data into a pivot table, or you want to create a pivot chart or report, or it should be a normal table. So in my case, I'll just give a table because I need the data to be matched. So yeah, also it will ask you where the data should be placed. So I'll give the new worksheet because I need to place it in a new worksheet. So I'll just click OK, and now you can see the all the data will be combined, and it will be placed in a single worksheet. So this is how you can combine all your data files into a single data file using the Power Query options. So there are a n number of other Excel practices which we can do using this Power Query editor, and we will be seeing those in upcoming or in upcoming videos. So I hope this finds helpful for you, and I think it will be more useful for the data analyst or researchers who are working on different data files. So with this, I'd like to conclude my video. Thank you for watching.